Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do when your Wi-Fi is not working on Redmi Note 7 Pro. Okay, so first simply let's open up the settings, let's go into the Wi-Fi and let's click on to toggle off the Wi-Fi. First let's turn it off and then let's click on to turn it on. Sometimes even that basics can help with your device. We can also forget our current Wi-Fi. Simply click on additional settings, click on manage saved networks, select the Wi-Fi that you are using and click on forget, just like that. Now simply go back into your available networks and reconnect with your Wi-Fi. Click on connect and sometimes it also helps. We can also go back in here, type reset and find reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Click on that, select the reset settings, simply click on that, click on OK. Now the settings and the networks has been resetted. Now go back and let's go again into the Wi-Fi. And thanks to that, let's wait until it finds the available networks. And now we can also reconnect into our Wi-Fi. And as a last thing, you can always restart your router and your phone. To restart your phone, simply launch the power menu by holding the power button. Now click on reboot, tap once again. And now within a second the device will be automatically turned on and it will be ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.